So the era for fake AI personalization is officially over. It's 2026, and you have to, if you use AI to scrape a prospect's LinkedIn or landing page and send an email saying, "Hey, I went to University of Michigan, go blue," you look like a spammer. In 2026, buyers are practically immune to this. It's a turnoff. It's creepy, and it has nothing to do with business. People are so used to fake personalization now that they just archive or spam your, like, click this email is spam just automatically without even thinking about it. So real personalization that actually works now is about business context. It's about outcome. So today I'm just giving you a quick rundown of how to use AI for actually generating good icebreakers that actually, make that feels like a pattern interrupt and actually makes your prospect read it rather than just archive it or delete it. And I'll give you a full ChatGPT or Gemini prompt. I use Gemini because it's the best at writing right now. And whether you're using cold email, whether you're using LinkedIn DMs or any kind of SMS, iMessage, you can use these icebreakers, convert it to your in the format that your prospect is actually expecting, and just run with it. So first, let us just go over what the problem is with using fake versus real personalization. The problem is identity versus intent. So most people just prompt AI with the wrong goal. If you tell AI to look at the prospect's identity, their bio, their location, their hobbies, and so on, it will just generate a very generic, very 2020 COVID era personalization that actually turns people off. So you have to look at intent or infrastructure. So their recent hiring, their new software, the tools that they're using right now, and how you can actually come in and replace those tools or workflows. Their company news. You have to reference something relevant to their company, their business, in order to actually pattern interrupt and get them to look at your email properly. So we call this the observation and hypothesis framework. You observe a business fact, you tell it to them, you then tell them about an outcome that you can provide for them. You actually give them a clear business pain and the solution to that. You tell them what their current business pain is, and what your solution will look like for them and why it matters. So if I show you a prompt that you can use, so let's expand it. So here's the prompt. You can take a screenshot of this if you want, and you can just type it into AI, fill in the actual blanks that I'll show you just now, and just run with it. Notice the constraints that I've put here. So let's look through it one by one, right? The context is basically what you're doing. So you're sending a cold B2B message to a prospect. So here I've just written a wealth manager prospect. So people who are working in like an investment bank or a hedge fund or a family office or something. Observation. This is just what company news you've observed. What if there's something that they're using in their company that is outdated, or if there's a role they're hiring for example, they've recently posted jobs for data analyst roles, so you can reference it and just start making this into a personalized icebreaker. And let's say the prospect just posted a job listing for these things. So instead of a generic intro, you will give the AI this, that generate a one sentence icebreaker within 15 words, connecting this observation into a potential business challenge that they might have. And you actually have to also mention here that I am running a cold email marketing agency or something. I don't know. You're running a B2B SaaS, cold email SaaS, something like that. And you need to actually address a real business move here instead of just a soft hypothesis. So you can send this in an email, a LinkedIn DM, or even a text message to a warm lead. And notice the negative constraints that I've used here. Do not use the phrases "hope this finds you well" as a leader, synergy. Yeah, these words are actually turnoffs. People hate them now. Congratulations on, I noticed that you've received funding and so on. And this is important. Use lowercase letters where appropriate, even in titles, so that it feels like a colleague is emailing them and doesn't feel like a cold email or cold outreach. And it should not appear salesy at all. So let's run this and see what the output comes to be. It'll take a few seconds because it's running on Pro model. But yeah, good AI should not sound like AI. It should sound like an observant human being. It should sound like a person who's actually, observed what your business is doing and they have an idea to improve it somehow. So you're hiring data analyst. Is cleaning up lead data becoming a huge bottleneck? You can actually ask the AI to generate like 15, 20 icebreakers, and you can just mix and match or choose which one works best. But this looks quite good. Like, is cleaning up lead data becoming a huge bottleneck? Or is cleaning up lead data actually taking you like 20 hours a week? My software can do it in like 30 minutes. My software can do it in like within seconds, and so on. So if you're selling a software service that can do it within a few minutes instead of like 20 hours that a human or like a group of humans take, that CEO will actually listen to you or read your email if this is how you open your email, or this is how you open your DM. So just like this, your positive reply rates to your cold outreach will just double or triple. And this was the tip that I wanted to show in this video. Hope this helps. Subscribe if you want more AI marketing systems. I am literally going on a roll with these videos now. And if you want me and my company, to come and integrate this into your business, we work with SaaS companies and agencies. We'll do it all done for you. We basically build your entire go-to-market strategy from scratch. Just click the first link in the description and book a free strategy call. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.